this is a respawn point. You don't need to do that.
Josh, you good? Why are you using your lipo? Oh.
Where's the nearest foxhole?
What?
Where's the nearest foxhole?
Hostel?
Foxhole.
Foxhole?
Right
Right in front of you?
Cover fire, Frank! Moving! Dude, you're gone.
What, you like it?
I love it.
Like that
It's
hollow?
dead accurate.
I know, right?
How's mine treating you?
Dude, this shit's a beast. Love that upgrade.
If the battery's dying, hit me up. I got another one.
Like this battery?
Yeah, the battery's dying, I think. I have another one on me. Alright, man, let's go. Let's go, Frank. Let's do this, boy. Frank, I got cover.
Drag him back.
We need a medic over here!
Who needs medic?
Yo, call for a medic!
We can drag you back to him. Or we need a medic up here! Medic! Medic!
Need a medic!
Stay low!
Nice job, dude. Nice job.
Wait, we get the flag holder.
Get that one up there. Stay low. Stay low.
Medic, let him move. Get your head down, medic.
Frank, I'm gonna move back a little bit and get a better angle. I'm gonna get a better angle.
I got a good angle here.
How's the battery? How's the battery? Alright,
I got my gas on it. I mean, your gun's fine. My battery should be good. Medic?
He's on that close corner of that main platform.
Yeah, I see
One guy's off the toe box.
Medic!
You got a medic anywhere?
You're better off going to wait till you bleed out. Tom, you got an angle on him?
Trying, Frank. Guys, we need help!
Yeah, I found a rock.
got the flag. Where's the flag?
Flag carrier's up here.
I'm dead. Where's the flag?
Guys, he's up here. Flag carrier's up here.
Alright, well, go, go, go. Yo, where's the medic?
Hit! I'm getting closer. Shit.
Yeah, right next to Michael Kagan, right? That's not it, I don't know.
Where's the nearest trench? The trench.
That sounds better.
Yeah.
Gotta get this thing shimmed.
Wow, did I just get hit? I think I did.
I'm hit. I'm hit.
Thank you.
Holy freaking shit, Papa. Why don't you just raise your hand?
I got shot in the forehead.
What the hell are you gonna do?
Wait till they run out of ammo.
We only have like 3 lives. We have unlimited, so if we just start.
I'm pinned down in the
Yeah.
No, I thought we had 5.
Limited 5.
Yeah. It's pretty much. Oh my god, dude. Frank's gun. His gun's dude, his gun's so good.
Yeah, just spawn back in.
Just take a few steps back. Really? Middle or left?
How much for 2 per?
Josh, where do you get shot from?
Where is that from?
I have no idea. Right.
You have kind of good. What's up?
Frankie's in a dead spot.
Yo, if you guys cover me, I'll get up to this blue thing.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Move up. Move up.
Oh shit.
Nice job. Just hold position. I got you. I got you. Go, go, go. Yeah, flag good. I have no idea. Probably leave it there. I'll probably come back for it.
I'm going in this trench over here. Yeah, nice. Yeah, heads up.
Hey, buddy,
You see this barrier right here? That big one? I don't have the range for it. Like right here, diagonal, there's two guys. You got an angle. I don't have range. See right here? All the way over there?
Yeah.
With the two.
I like it.
What?
I might use this a little more. Not as much. Just gonna get the gear trimmed.
Getting lit up.
It's all gonna go great until my gears break.
Yep. Dude, his holo is nice. Not even gonna lie, his holo is really nice. It's really accurate. It's so much better than just like hip firing. I can't see anyone right now.
How do you not call that? Did you see that?
It's like a freaking crossman. I had no power to it. Ooh. Adam, over there. Adam, over there. See? Are you serious right now? Alright, I got it. Guys, we need fire support. Alright guys, we're cutting them down. Yo, I'll dive into that trench if you cover me. Josh. Josh.
There he is.
I'm getting into that trench if you cover me.
Alright.
3, 2, 1, now. Nice job, Josh. Nice job. Who's fly carrier up here? Ooh. Right up here. I think we're clear right now. You know what?
Come on, Josh.
Just got lit up. Just got lit up. They're all over. They're just rushing down.
He's down, got him. Keep moving, keep moving. No, no kill.
Does anyone have a know where the flag is?
Guys, where's flag carrier?
Cody, watch your head. Watch your head. Watch your head. You're in my. There you go. Yeah, stay right here. I'm coming. How much did you do?
Yo, guys, this guy right here.
You got a
make the push. It's less than 5 minutes. Let's go. Who has the flag? We got a flag right here. All right. You guys see the grenade? Hey, Wicked, we're set, ready. How are we gonna do this?
Right here, right this boat, right here.
Yeah, you have to wait there.
All right.
You gotta go.
When we yell go, 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 everyone stand up, cover, grab the flag, needs to get there. It's right here.
Ready?
Dead player.
Josh, need you.
Yo, Josh.
Josh,
Jack.
2 people need his medic.
Yo, drag him. Drag him.
Come on, go, 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 go.
Josh.
Medic!